This is the ancient Chinese cold weapon, the flying guillotine, which can cut heads within 100 meters. Have you ever thought that cutting concrete piles could be easy like this? Here comes the construction site flying guillotine pile breaker. It cuts concrete piles just like cuts the cucumber.
Nice.
Why do we choose a pile breaker? Cost-effective. Driven by excavator hydraulic system, the hydraulic oil drives the drill rod to squeeze the pile and then break it. Convenient. Modular design, convenient for disassemble and transportation. Well, you can also cut different diameter piles by adding or removing modules. Efficient. 80 piles a day, no matter round or square piles are available. Compared with manual operation, it is much safer and faster. Unimate, drilling accessories expert for drilled shaft works.